XXA Bafetu, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome to you. So on today's video, we have a very popular Volkswagen, a VR6. Whether it's the Golf or the Jetta, as long as it has the VR6 badge, it comes with a Grootman status. But Lovitza Grootman will mfana makadidene Jew. Lovitza Grootman will mfana kadidene. Anyways, this specific VR6 is OEM Plus, a slight drop, exhaust, and aftermarket engine management. SUSTECH. That's all that has been done to this car. Maybe a few extra mods. But anyway, let's get to the video. But before we get to the video, please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Danko. And there you have it for the VR6 Golf. VR6 Ipila. I'm slowly but surely falling in love with the VR6 Golfs because now I like the Jetta. I'm actually a big fan of sedans, but kancane I'm falling for the Golfs, especially in like red. Like, have you ever seen a Golf VR6 car red? Yes. But anyway, Tango out.